Okay, check this out, $38 per hour with $20,000 earned, $30 per hour with $50,000 earned, $37.5 per hour, and finally we have $50 per hour with $100,000 earned. This is what I'll be showing you in this video. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and this is my response video to Kevin David's video, earn $500 daily from Google Translate, how to make money online. So guys, I just watched this video and it is 90% good information, 10% totally BS. Okay, so if you will miss this 10%, you will not be making any money, not $500, not $50. Okay, so in this video I will show you exactly what to do. I'm actually a certified translator. I used to do this full-time back in 2007 2008, so I know what this is all about. Now you will be using Google Translate, so this means you don't need to actually translate anything. Okay, so now don't worry, you don't need to speak a second language, you don't need to know anything, you don't need any special skills. I will show you exactly what to do using Google Translate, and then a secret formula that will actually make all of this work. Okay, so we all know Google Translate is, 70, 80, 90% right, and this is something that you can use to start off this whole process, but you can't just translate it in Google Translate and send it off and think that someone will actually pay you money for it. Okay, so this is what Kevin David is telling you. It's 100% wrong, and I will show you exactly what to do after you will use Google Translate to translate the text, and how to make $200 per day, because this is more realistic. Okay, so guys, before we start, make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click on the bell if you're already subscribed, and leave me a comment if you have any questions, or maybe you just want to say hi. Even before I'm going to show you what to do, I wanted to show you my profile as a translator. Okay, so if you're gonna scroll all the way to the bottom, as you can see, it was last updated on November 27th 2008. Okay, so I used to do this full-time. As you can see, I'm not really doing this for the last 12 years, but this was my field of expertise. I did it when I first finished my university, so I can actually teach English, I can translate, so this is what I used to do. And with that being said, let's go to Google Translate and let me show you how easy it is to start off this whole process. Okay, because again, this is something that will not end with Google Translate. Okay, so obviously with Google Translate you can just type up anything, and as you can see, we can instantly translate it to any language. So this is the cool thing. So what we're going to be doing is we will set up a profile as a translator. Then when someone gives us a gig to complete, we'll be going to Google Translate, just translate it, and then we will be doing one extra step. I'll show you that step in just a minute. Okay, so guys, first of all, how to get these jobs, how to get a gig as a translator. Okay, so I will show you a few websites. Website number one is latnum.org. Okay, so as you can see, it says get free quotes from freelancers now. If you want to become a freelancer, just click on I want to work. Okay, you're gonna get all the information right here. You're gonna have to sign up with your email and they will send you all the information. You're gonna have to create an account, obviously, and just set up your gig. So this is the first website. Another website I have for you is translate.com. So guys, there are a few of these websites. Now translate.com is one of the biggest ones, and if you want to start making money with Google Translate, just scroll all the way to the bottom and click on become a translator. Okay, so as you can see how it works, you sign up, you take a test, you translate a text, and you get paid. So they are getting tons of different translations in many different languages. Now again, you don't really have to speak another language, because I will show you exactly what to do and how to do it. So you can work from anywhere, you can make good money, cash out anytime, and be your own boss. Okay, so that's translate.com. Another website I have for you is translated.com. Okay, so again, very, very similar. These guys will simply send you jobs. All you have to do is click right here on translators, and you will have all the information on how to start translating for them. So as you can see, you can click right here where it says apply now, apply as a translator. Again, probably you will have to take a test, and from this point on you can just start translating using Google Translate. And again, I will show you exactly what to do in just a second. Next up, we have Gango.com. Okay, same exact idea. You're gonna have to sign up as a freelancer, so scroll all the way to the bottom and click on careers. This is how you can start working with them. And lastly, we have Upwork. So you can just set up a Upwork gig and just wait for the orders to come in. Okay, so what I would do is I would find an Upwork gig that is already successful, and I would just mirror it. Okay, so I would just rewrite whatever they have written right here, and I would sort of mirror the pricing. Okay, so it's 38, 30, 37, 50. So I would start maybe at 25, 30 dollars per hour if you have zero experience. Okay, so this is what I would do on Upwork. And next up we have Fiverr. You guys know that I love Fiverr. This is the easiest way to actually start getting some orders in, because you can really start at $5 and then just make money on all of the upsells. So guys, again, if you want to set up a gig, just find a gig in the language pair that you are familiar with. As you can see, we have this lady, English, Swedish, Norwegian. We have this one, you know, that's Spanish. We have a Dutch translator. So whatever you decide on, you know, you can do multiple pairs. Again, you will be using Google Translate, so you don't have to really worry about you know, speaking another language or being able to write in another language. What you will do on Fiverr is just set up a gig, wait for the order, and then once the order comes in, obviously you will go to Google Translate, you will translate it, but again, you can't send a text that is just translated in Google Translate, because first of all, people can do this themselves, and second of all, it will not be perfect. And if someone speaks you know, a second language, Spanish, Norwegian, whatever it is, they will see that this is something just translated in Google Translate, and they will not pay you. So even if they will pay you, they will want their money back. So this will not work. Now, Kevin David says, you know, people are fine with it because 90% of it is right. People are not fine. Trust me, again, I've been working as a translator. The translated text needs to be perfect, okay, especially if you're charging money for it. Okay, so what you will do if you don't speak the second language, you can go to a proofreading on Fiverr and just hire a proofreader. Okay, so let's say you translated something from English to German. You don't have to speak German, then you just hire someone on Fiverr to read the text in German. Okay, now guys, the cool thing is that proofreading is 10 times cheaper. Okay, so if someone pays $5 for 100 words for translating, you're gonna pay $5 for 1,000 words to proofread it. Okay, so essentially you're losing 10%, but you're making sure that the translated text is perfect. Okay, so that's how you get an edge over your competition. First of all, you're not losing time with the translations like normal translators do, because you're using Google Translate. Then someone else is proofreading the text for you, which means that again, you're not really doing all the work. Someone else is doing it. All you have to do is just get the order, go to Google Translate, then proofread it, send it to someone else proofreads it for you, and then you deliver the order. That's how you do it. Okay, so again, going back to Kevin David right here, he essentially tells you to translate it in Google Translate, send it off to the buyer. This is not the way to do it. The way to do it is to then send it off to a proofreader that is a native language speaker in whatever language you are translating to. So again, German, Chinese, Spanish, French, you know, whatever you're comfortable with, and then you are delivering it to your buyer. Okay, so again, you can sign up with all of these websites, so you know, all of these websites that I showed you, or you can just set up a gig on Upwork, on Fiverr. I would probably start off with Fiverr, and then I will also sign up with all of these websites and just see how many orders you are getting. Okay, so guys, this is the way to do it. Again, I was working as a full-time translator years back, so nothing really changes when it comes to this industry, and this is how you can start making $200 per day on average. Okay, so you know, this claim here of $500 daily is really exaggerated. Can you make $500? You probably can, you know, down the road, probably not on your first day or first week or first month. You know, I know translators that are actually charging much more because they already have the portfolio of different jobs that they already did for like big companies. You can start charging more down the road. You know, if you're a beginner, you would probably start at $25 to $30 per hour, and even though you're using Google Translator, you know, the fee is still the same. So you can only work, you know, 8 to 10 hours per day. So this is how much work you're gonna get realistically. Okay, so again, I'm not exaggerating these claims. $200 is still $6,000 per month if you will decide on focusing on it full time. So guys, that's the video I have for you today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, leave me a comment if you have any questions, and I will be seeing you in the next video. I'm always recording videos about making money online and working from home, so make sure to watch all the rest of the videos on this channel. See you in the next one. Ciao.